Follow these 6 simple upgrades will make you perfect fudgy, deeply chocolatey brownies with shiny, crackly top every single time. Hi, I'm Landon, and today we're making better brownies the easy way. The first simple upgrade is customizing it to your liking. To put it simple, ask yourself if you like the edge pieces with crispy, crunchy crust. If yes, $3.50, otherwise $3.25 for extra fudgy pieces. Now we melt 12 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a stainless steel saucepan until it's simmering hot but not browned. While butter is melting, quickly prepare our pan. I'm using 9x9 here. If you like your brownies a little thicker, use 8x8. A few cuts and folding here. Much simpler than you might think, or you can just push it straight down. A little bit of cooking spray will keep the parchment paper stays in place. Done, nice and easy. The sugar has been simmering for about 20-30 seconds now. Turn off heat. We immediately add sugar. You don't have to stir, it's just my habit. Now upgrade number 2, by combining 2 flavor profiles of natural and Dutch processed cocoa powders, we create a richer, more complex chocolate flavor with an appealing, deeper, darker color compared to using only one type.
The boss is here! Sorry, we don't need you.
The third upgrade is espresso powder. This small amount of coffee will make the chocolate taste stronger and richer without tasting like coffee. You can also use decaf if caffeine is not your thing. A little bit of salt to enhance overall flavors. Now we whisk hard for about 45 to 60 seconds. This is why we don't want to use precious nonstick pan. And this step does an important upgrade. Cocoa contains fast-soluble flavor compounds, so blooming it by mixing with hot butter pulls out deeper chocolate flavor. Now whisking 2 cold eggs, yes, make sure them cold, and vanilla for another 60 seconds or longer until the sugar melted to just tiny grains and the batter is much smoother. And that is upgrade number 5, the secret to brownies with a thin, crackly crust and a dense, smooth, fudgy center. I'm not gonna lie, this serious workout here. My little tip to ease the tiredness is switching between holding the whisker with fingers will put more work on your wrist, while holding with your fist put more work on your shoulders. Of course, you can also use mixer, just don't overdo it, as excessive air incorporated will make the brownies lose some of its signature of dense, rich, chewy consistency. Next, add 3/4 cup of flour and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips or chopped chocolate bar, gently stirring just until combined. We don't want too much gluten here. This is also the final upgrade. This recipe uses high cocoa to flour ratio by volume, ensures we have deep, rich, fudgy chocolate brownies, and the chocolate chips creates pockets of melted decadent chocolate. Oh yeah, it really turns it up a notch. Now spread the batter into the prepared pan. Bake for about 25 to 32 minutes. Pull them out when a toothpick comes out almost clean. Now bake slightly shorter for extra fudgy brownies. Bake a little longer for more cakey brownies. Totally up to you. Remember, brownies continue cooking as they cool. Cool in the pan for at least 30 minutes. And no, you don't have to have a cleaver. The cooler the brownies, the cleaner the cut, but if you love soft brownies, don't wait too long. Enjoy when they're still slightly warm. Look at that top tier brownies, so beautiful. These brownies had deep chocolate flavor and a rich chewy fudgy texture. Oh, it's so amazing. And with just 6 simple upgrades, you have new favorite brownies. If you enjoy simple baking tricks that actually make recipes better, subscribe and help out my small channel if you may. Thanks so much friends, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.